Do what they wanted to do, namely make war on Iraq, and that they decided to do that shortly after 9/11. And my former colleague Paul Pillar, who is the most senior national intelligence officer for the Middle East and for counterterrorism, when he says, as he did just yesterday, that there was an organized campaign of manipulation of the intelligence to prove a tie between Iraq and Al-Qaeda, the objective, of course, to make the American people think that Saddam Hussein has something to do with 9/11. When Pillar comes out with that information, then I think we need to make sure the American people know that we knew at that time there was no such tie.
He didn't answer or respond to the bulletproof question at first. You asked basically, you reiterated the bulletproof and said, that he'd indicated there was bulletproof evidence of a link between Al-Qaeda and Saddam Hussein's government. He then came back to it, though, and said, well, it's a fact that Zarqawi was in Iraq, and you pointed out that he. Well, what did you say then?
Well, I was so glad that he disingenuously offered that, because Zarqawi was not under any Al-Qaeda or Saddam Hussein control. He was in the northern part of Iraq where no one held sway, not Saddam Hussein, certainly not Al-Qaeda. And so to adduce Zarqawi as a link with Al-Qaeda was disingenuous.